Lesson 4 of Volume 2. Reading practice number 4. Dear Miss Simon, recently I was in Miami and purchased a new leather chair at your furniture store. Period. It was to have been delivered to me yesterday at my home in Orlando. Period. I waited for several hours, but the delivery truck never arrived. Paragraph. I have been purchasing furniture at your store for many years, and I know that your firm is usually reliable and dependable. Period. I am, of course, quite disappointed with your service in this instance. Paragraph. I hope you will check into this matter and let me know what caused the trouble. Period. Please also let me know when you can give me definite delivery date. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 5. Gentlemen, last week on a brief visit to Philadelphia, I bought a suede jacket from your leather goods store. Period. I noticed that there was a slight imperfection in the jacket when I returned to my home in Boston. Period. One of the sleeves is of a lighter color than the other. Paragraph. I would like to return the coat to your store for a full refund. Period. Please advise me where you wish the coat sent and when I may expect to receive a refund check. Period. Very truly yours. Reading practice number 6. Dear Mr. Mason, thank you jacket you recently bought at the Huntington leather goods shop, period. We are indeed sorry that the color of one of the sleeves appears to be somewhat lighter than the other. Paragraph. I hope you will take another close look at the coat before you return it, period. It is a characteristics of suede to appear different under varying degrees of light, period. The grain of the leather can make it seem to change color almost before your eyes. Paragraph. We believe that you will probably want to keep the coat, period. Should you decide to return it, however, just pack it carefully, insure it, and mail it back to us, period. We will cheerfully refund the full purchase price, period. Very sincerely yours. 7. Dear Miss Brown, here is some good advice for you, period. Stop in the new Huntington leather goods shop the next time you are in the market for leather goods, period. There you will find beautiful new leather jackets, coats, and shoes. Paragraph. We are sure you will be pleased with your line goods and with the reasonable price, period. Our beautiful showroom is open Monday through Saturday, period. We are closed on Sunday, paragraph. We are offering new customers a special discount on their first purchase at the Huntington leather goods shop, period. Just bring this letter with you and show it to our sales representative when you make your first purchase, period. You will receive a special discount on the regular price, period. We will be looking forward to seeing you in our shop soon, period. Sincerely yours. Dear Miss Garcia, our organization, the Jennings Furniture Company, does not usually give advice, but in this case, we are making an exception, period. We advise you to come to our store as quickly as possible, period. What is the reason for this advice? Question mark. It is simple, period. We are having the sale of a lifetime, paragraph. You will be able to make great savings on practically every item we sell during the next week, period. We have beautiful new furniture for your living room, your bedroom, and your kitchen. We can supply just the items you need at prices that are unbeatable, paragraph. Take our advice, Miss Garcia, period. Come to the Jennings Furniture Company today, period. You will be making new mistake, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 9. Dear Mr. Yang, last week I purchased a new superior refrigerator at your furniture store on Main Street in Birmingham, period. I paid for it with a check, period. The refrigerator was scheduled for delivery yesterday, paragraph. The truck arrived right on time, and the appliance was the one I selected, period. It was placed in the kitchen, but there was a problem, period. Neither the motor nor the light would work, period. I had to refuse the refrigerator, of course. Period. The delivery people politely took it back to your store. Paragraph. Now I am wondering, Mr. Yell, what I ought to do. Period. Will you send another appliance, or will you credit my account for the price I paid? Question mark. Please advise me as soon as possible. Period. Sincerely yours. Is a transcription quiz of Lesson 4. Dear Miss Lee, colon, thank you for writing to us about the problem you had with the new refrigerator you recently purchased from our store. Period. We are, of course, very sorry that you have had trouble. Period. The refrigerator you choose is usually one of our most efficient, dependable models. Paragraph. I am sorry to advise you, Miss Lee, that we don't have another refrigerator exactly like the one you choose. Period. I hope you choose another model soon. Period. We will give you a special discount if you would choose a more expensive model. Paragraph. Please let us hear from you soon. Period. Sincerely yours,